Hey guys, what's up? It is Artlessly and don't you forget it, please subscribe to this video, because if you are able to view this video, you are able to hit that red subscribe button. Also, please like, comment, and yeah, let's get right to this video. I'm gonna be doing 4 simple hairstyles while being quarantined, and hairstyles that I personally miss because I miss being outside, you know. So we're just gonna get this video started, and yeah, this is one of my hairstyles I did, so let's go. What I have is a water bottle, a comb, hard bristle brush, eco, and some hair ties. And yeah, let's get to it. It feels so good to refresh my hair with some water. My thick hair girls, you know how hard it can be to slick your hair, and for us we have to do layer by layer. So I'm gonna start in the back. I'm gonna do a slick middle part bun. Now, when I brush my hair to slick it, I don't go crazy with the brush because I also don't want to use my curl pattern. So I place the gel on top and I just brush it. Just like that. And now, more sections. Then I'm just gonna tie it to just keep it down, if that makes sense. So now I'm going to straighten. Hell no, I'm going to do the middle part. Which never comes out perfect because I personally feel like I don't have the right comb for it. Yeah, alright. Now for the top part of my head, I have to make sure I apply a lot of gel, especially in the front, because it tends to not get frizzy, but if it gets really hot, gel wear. It looks like I didn't apply gel. You see? So what I'm gonna do is brush it down. Now, the best part. Alright, y'all, this is it. Normally I would do edges, but I don't got time for that. I'm not really a edge type person. One, I can't really do edges because I have edges, but they not like, how can I put this in words? But my edges are not thick, which is yeah, my edges are not thick. I don't know if that makes sense, but I hope y'all catch my drift. These scrunchies are so cute, but yes, y'all still see the curls. And so this is a cute, simple hairstyle number 1. Guys, I am so tomboy, it's just crazy. Style number 2. This is one of my favorite styles, and it's the side part. Yes, that is way better. Alright, oh my gosh, guys, I applied water, my hair's still dry. Guys, literally all my hair products are on my college campus, and I'm just like, I haven't been ODing on spending, you know, money on my products because I still have products on campus, so I've been very cheapy on what I spent. This is the hardest to slick down. I gotta do each section. I gotta section it. To bring it to the side a bit. Yeah, and what I like about this scrunchie is that, personally for my hair, it holds like my whole hair. Like, I don't have to like double tie it where like it can cause breakage. Oh no. This is where I'll probably do baby hairs. Yeah, yo girl, just go chill. Your girl just did that with a bristle brush. I felt like a winner. Let me stop, guys. I have a whole comb. If I had butterfly clips, it'd be so cute. Alright, guys. Now for style number 3. I don't really need gel because I already have gel, so I'm just gonna apply water. Brush that, brush. That's high. Guys, I got so confident with my hair. Like, I'm just so proud of myself. Like, to people, this may not feel like accomplishment, but like for me to honestly love my hair and not be ashamed, because like I never used to wear my hair out ever. Always used to be a bun. Now, nobody telling me what. Alright, look how poofy my hair is because of the brush and because the eco's making my hair dry. But now for style number 4. I just want to say this never comes out as good, which is crazy. I'm actually happy it's coming out my first trying to video, because in reality, it never comes out good. And I know y'all could relate, especially for my female YouTubers who be doing hairstyles. I know y'all could relate. Yes. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are viewing this, please like, please comment. Even comment some ideas, some videos I can come up with. I'm having a little trouble with that, but it's okay. And please subscribe. If you're able to view this video, you are able to click that red button, click that red subscribe button. Okay, so thank you guys. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.